Kitchen 101. Citrus fruits are a versatile ingredient that work well in both sweet and savory applications. Lemon and lime varieties add brightness and acidity to recipes. Oranges add sweetness, and grapefruit provides a pleasant bitter-sweet profile. For use in recipes, citrus can be cut into slices, halves or quarters, wedges, and supremes. Sliced oranges are placed on top of salmon in orange rosemary roasted salmon. They add flavor and make a beautiful presentation. To slice, simply cut off one end of the fruit and cut into rounds. Cut them in half for a quick drink garnish. Citrus fruit halves or quarters can be stuffed into the cavity of a whole chicken before roasting. They easily add extra flavor to the meat. To add a smoky note to any recipe, citrus can also be seared in a hot pan or grilled. Wedges are a great shape to create when you want to squeeze citrus over a finished recipe. First, cut the fruit through the center. Hold the fruit cut side up and cut at an angle. This way really shows off the segments. A really tasty preparation is citrus supremes. With these, the membranes are removed so you're left with just the juicy pieces of flesh. It's the perfect technique for adding oranges and grapefruit to a salad. Start by cutting off the top and bottom of the fruit. Place the fruit cut side down. Peel the fruit, making sure to remove all of the white part, leaving just the exposed flesh behind. Next, hold the fruit in one hand and your knife in the other. Carefully cut, allowing the blade of the knife to follow the membranes of each segment. This will leave the tough membranes behind. These simple techniques allow you to make the most of citrus fruits for both flavor and visual appeal. See you next time!